Hi guys, Stephanie here. Now today I have something very easy for you guys, so I'm gonna do things a little bit differently. This is Scarborough Fair. It is a request. It's a really popular tune on tin whistle. So I'm gonna do it in a 3-part melody. And I'm gonna give you guys tabs for each individual section so you can try and play and enjoy 3 different parts. Now, I have made these up myself. They might not always be perfect, but it's good fun to try and it's something interesting to do. So I hope you enjoy it. Good luck and yeah, have fun. And that's it from me for today. Thank you so much for watching and I really hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to check out my other videos here on YouTube. You might find something you'll enjoy. Have a great week and I'll see you next week.